Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start off our discussion with the next subsection, which is about thermoregulation. Let's have a look at the big picture of this subsection. इस subsection में सबसे पहले हम discuss करेंगे thermoregulation in plants at high temperature. Then we will discuss thermoregulation in plants at low temperature. Then we will discuss thermoregulation in mammals at high temperature. And then we will discuss thermoregulation in animals at low temperature. And afterwards, we'll talk about the thermostat function and the feedback control of temperature in the human beings. And then we'll talk about the temperature classification of the animals, and then we'll discuss the regulation of heat exchange between animals and their environment. And इस सबसेक्शन के लास्ट पे हम शिवरिंग और नॉन शिवरिंग थर्मोजेनेसिस को डिफरेंशिएट करना भी सीखेंगे इन द मैमल्स. So let's start off our discussion with the thermoregulation in plants at high temperature. So we have got the thermoregulation in plants at high temperature. So ये जितने भी ओवरऑल कह लें कि जो thermoregulation है plants और animals में at high and low temperature, इसको मैं problem और solution की sense में discuss करने लगा हूँ. I think that's how you will better be able to organize information in your brain. So इसको problem solution की sense में देखेंगे. So in the left column we have got the problem, and in the right column we have got the solution. So high temperature से अब जो problems को जो plants को problems faced हैं वो क्या है? टॉप ऑफ द लाइन रिस्क है एंजाइम डीनेचरेशन का. हमें पता है कि हाई टेम्परेचर ये एंजाइम्स को डीनेचर